Hi guys, Tony here from AK Autos. I've just serviced this Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2016 model, so it's 2016 onward Volkswagen Passat. When you start it, see the dash will come up oil change now. What you want to do is you want to switch the car off with the key. You're going to need to hold this button, press and hold, and turn ignition on. And as soon as you do that, you'll see reset oil change, are you sure? Now you can press cancel using these buttons here, up and down. What you want to do is you want to go to OK and then press and hold OK, and that's the service reset. Hope that video wasn't too blurry. Like and subscribe. Cheers for watching.